Come test drive the 2023 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. Elevate your status